So I have most of this Nissan Sentra still apart to operate the vehicle. Everything's in. The steering shaft is just lightly bolted in so I can make a road test to see if there's anything that's going to pop up here that's going to cause me more aggravation by installing a used EPS unit. Wink, wink, wink. And the steering wheel, steering shaft is not keywayed or splined in one way. So if the steering wheel's off a little bit, I can go underneath and I could lift the steering column, lift the steering shaft off, and get the wheel back center, because we didn't have any steering wheel and steering shaft to rack and pinion alignment issues before. But you think every piece that you buy is perfectly perfect, when no, that's why there's wheel alignments and things like that. So yeah, I'm pretty good here for steering wheel straightness. Now I don't want to get a ticket from some dickhole because I don't have any license plates on this vehicle while I'm road testing it. You can see I'm working on my car, sir. Alright, so this looks good. We're gonna send it back to the shop. I'm going to button up all the interior. So I'm going to tell you, this job at the Nissan dealership was probably $3,000 with their diag time and programming and everything else that they put on to their work orders. I wonder if I can. EPS is so finicky, let me tell you. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Let's see. That's how good I am. That's good to me. She looks. All right, guys. I'm sweating my butt off, so I'm gonna get it back in the shop and finish up, and then I've got some other interesting shit that I want to talk about. Thanks for watching.